Let's sing a song, come gather near. We'll share some joy for all to hear. With happy hearts and voices loud, we'll spread some kindness all around. Sharing chocolate sweet and small, a little peace for one and all. We'll laugh and munch beneath the sun, because we share with everyone. Sharing sandwiches cut in two, half for me and half for you. We'll sit and eat and smile so wide, with tasty love we can't hide. Sharing apples, pears and grapes, healthy snacks in fun shapes. A fruity feast is such a treat, sharing fruit is oh so sweet. Sharing bread so warm and round, the smell of love is all around. We'll pass it gently slice by slice, sharing bread is always nice. Sharing dinner, rice and stew, a table full of love for you. We'll hold our hands and say let's share, because we always truly care. Sharing pencils red and blue, I'll lend a pen or crayon too. We'll write and draw a picture bright, sharing tools feels just so right. Sharing books with pages new, a story read by me and you. We'll turn each page and giggle out, sharing books makes us so proud. Sharing toys, a car, a ball, let's play together one and all. We'll build and laugh and play all day, because we share in every way. Sharing music, clap along, we'll sing together a happy song. With every beat and dancing feet, sharing music is so sweet. Sharing colors, red and green, the prettiest shapes you've ever seen. We'll paint a rainbow in the sky, sharing art makes colors fly. Sharing hugs so warm and tight, they make the world feel just right. A hug is love you give away, it makes a friend's whole happy day. Sharing love in all we do, with every friend and family too. A loving heart is big and wide, with sharing love there's joy inside. Sharing dreams both big and small, we'll cheer each other through it all. Together we can reach the sky, sharing dreams will help us fly. Sharing jackets, scarves and hats, with brothers, sisters, dogs and cats. On chilly days when skies are gray, we'll share some warmth in every way. Sharing smiles so bright and true, I'll share mine and you share too. A smile can travel far and near, sharing joy to all we're near. We've shared our love, our toys, our play, let's keep on sharing every day. With every laugh and every cheer, we'll spread our kindness year by year.
Baby jealous.